Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you want to really show it, I don't know the rest. Okay, we don't have this song in Turkish like this, but we'll talk about if clause. Hey guys, herkese merhaba. Ben Seda. Nasılsınız? Welcome to turkishclass101.com. Today, as I said it, we'll talk about if. This video will be focused on grammar. So get ready and buckle up before we start. Sometimes people find grammar boring, but I find it amazing actually. I imagine it like looking through a looking glass to other nations' minds. How they use the language, how they express themselves, say a lot about that culture. So, this perspective makes the grammar enjoyable for me. Hope it does the same thing for you. After this video, you will know what if is in Turkish. How do we use it? What is the short and long version when building if clauses? So, let's get started with the basics. The word if in Turkish is eğer. Eğer. As you know it, sentences with if has two parts. One is if clause, the other is the main clause. For example, if I go, you will see. If I go is the if clause, you will see is the main clause. So the structure is same in Turkish. And also in Turkish, if clause needs to have a special suffix ise. The structure of the if clause is like this. Eğer eğer, verb, ise, and the pronoun suffix. Then comes the main sentence. I will put the structure somewhere here or here, I don't know. Now, this eğer doesn't have to be there because there is the suffix ise. Ise is enough for us to understand this is a if clause. If you want to emphasize the meaning, you can use it. Okay? Other than that, you don't have to use it. It is totally up to you. Let me give you an example so you understand this better. Eğer arabayı getirir ise sana gelirim. If he brings the car, I will come to you. Eğer arabayı getirir ise sana gelirim. Eğer arabayı getirir ise sana gelirim. Or you can just say, arabayı getirir ise sana gelirim. Arabayı getirir ise sana gelirim. The meaning is the same. The difference is the emphasis. This is the basic structure, but we don't use it like this. We drop the e from ise and make it se and attach it to the verb. Eğer arabayı getirirse sana gelirim. If he brings the car, I'll come to you. The meaning is the same. Nothing changes. Eğer arabayı getirirse sana gelirim. Here, I need to pause and remind you the vowel harmony rule. You need to learn it to master the suffixes in Turkish. But shortly, if I had to explain, because of the vowel harmony rule, we can either add se or sometimes sa. The structure of the verb in if clause is like this. Clause is like this. Verb stem, tense suffix, se-sa, and pronoun suffix. The pronoun suffixes are M for I, N for you, nothing for he, she, it, K for we, nız, nis, nuz, nüz for you, lar, lar for they. Let's see some examples. Benimle yemek yerse geç kalırım. If she eats with me, I will be late. Benimle yemek yerse geç kalırım. Benimle yemek yerse geç kalırım. Next example. İstersem ararım. If I want, I will call. İstersem ararım. İstersem ararım. Okay? Another example. Ne dediğini duyarsak not alırız. If we hear what he said, we'll take a note. Ne dediğini duyarsak not alırız. Ne dediğini duyarsak not alırız. These were some examples. Now let's see how we add the pronoun suffix to the sesa. Let's take gitmek, to go verb, for example. Okay? For example. Okay? Gitmek, to go. Let's conjugate in simple present tense. Geniş zaman. Normally, I would say giderim, gidersin, gider. Gideriz, gidersiniz, giderler. Okay? I go, you go, he, she, it goes. We go, you go, they go. That's how we translate it. But when we make it to if clause, we say gidersem. Say gidersem if I go, gidersen if you go, giderse if he, she, it goes, gidersek if we go, giderseniz if you go, giderlerse if they go. Okay? You add the suffix se here. So, as you can see, in the last one, se is added at the end, not before the pronoun suffix. We sometimes do have these kind of out of the rule adding with the pronoun they. Okay? Just keep that in mind. So this is how we add the pronouns. As I told you before, the structure of the verb in if clause is like this. Verb stem, tense suffix, sesa, and pronoun suffix. We talked about the sesa and the pronoun suffix. I also want you to give examples for different tenses. Tenses in first singular pronoun. Okay? Let's see. For present continuous tense, şimdiki zaman, geliyorsam, if I am coming, geliyorsam. For simple past, geçmiş zaman, geldiysem, if I came, geldiysem. For reported past, mişli geçmiş zaman, gelmişsem, if I supposedly came, gelmişsem. For future tense, gelecek zaman, geleceksem. If I will come, geleceksem. That's it, guys. These were the basic rules of the if clauses. By using these, you can create endless sentences. Now, get started and write some sentences using if in the comment section, okay? Make anything you want. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. And if you have questions, please leave them below and help each other in the comment section. I will see you next time. Görüşmek üzere. Kendinize iyi bakın. Güle güle.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.